started now.
Let students join for a while. Namaskar. Good morning to one and all. Today we are privileged to have Mr. Johnson Matthew from Kerala to address you on diversity as well human development, which is his core area. Now I invite Abhinand sir to set the background for this event.
First of all, good morning to everybody, and first of all, I like to say Happy Engineers Day to everybody.
Yes, sir. Sir, you are engineer too. You are engineer too. Matthew sir is by background engineer. Dr. Sumit is also engineer. So
Happy
namaskar
engineers
to all
too.
the engineers.
Yeah, thank you. Today we are celebrating Dr. M. Vishweswaraya's birthday. He was also the first person to make our engineers take a pride in this century. And he was also the head of planning commission, which very few of us will know that, engineers are a good planner and they are to plan it well. So in this century where we have to plan everything, Happy Engineers Day to everybody, and we'll try to bring out an engineer inside all of us. Though if nobody is an engineer, we are having engineers inside, inquisitiveness of opening everything and then again trying to make it same. That's called the engineer's brain. And I would like to invite Mr. Johnson Matthew. He has been a very stalwart in the field of HR and recruitment, a very versatile personality, very outgoing personality, whom anybody can connect with, and he will change the environment on its own. A very pushy kind of guy and very jolly personality. Being in HR, to be a jolly, you are always able to connect with him. A bond has to be such, he's able to connect with everybody. And that's why a good HR has to have such skills. And that's why Mr. Johnson, he is taking care of all our IRM group company. IRM group company takes care of our Forex business, takes care of our agri business. They also have, a small division on cab, which runs our cars. Then we have Karnavati Engineering. And the last one to add is Glass Insulator Group. We are also into insulators, So he's taking care of everything in our group companies. A very wide background of portfolio which he has, and I would like to invite him so that you can listen from his experience and background.
Thank you so much, sir. You gave just that what Kerala is into. Apart from Kerala Pharma, various sister concerns are there under one umbrella. So that was so nice of you giving us the entire portfolio of Kerala as well as of Mr. Matthew also. We have our student who is going to introduce Matthew sir. So over to Dhara. Dhara, please unmute yourself and start the introduction, please.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dhara Chaudhary. Today, I take privilege to put on record the credentials of our today's eminent speaker, Mr. Johnson Matthew. Sir is a mechanical engineer and an MBA in human resources. With experience of over 10 years industry, Sir is currently serving as a Chief Human Resource Officer at IRM Group, which is non-pharma business of Cadila Pharmaceutical Limited. Initially, Sir has also served as a general manager in talent acquisition at Adani Group of Industries. Sir holds great passion for human development and firmly believe in developing people in a practical manner. So now I warmly welcome Sir to take mic and guide us through today. Thank you.
Thank you, Dara. Over to Johnson, sir. The spotlight.
Thank you, Dara. It was a wonderful.
Sir, unmute yourself, sir. Sir, unmute yourself.
Yeah. So to add to my experience and expertise, I got 2 decades of HR experience. Engineering was my just from the house to do the engineering, but my forte, my passion, my lagni was HR. So lagni ke na Dara, tame amorjo bata chokrao, because young generation is our future. We will depend upon you all, student of IU University. You should also have lagni. Ne lagao hoy ne, lagni lagao hoy to badhu kari sakai. So that was my lagni, that was my passion, that was my interest to be with employees. And I'm always there with them. Today also I'm with the employee. Though employer is there, but employee is my 80%, employer is 20%. I try to keep the balance together. So good morning to you all again, and IU University faculty, I should salute to everyone, each and every engineers, the faculty, the dean, the vice chancellor, anybody, all are doing fantastic job there in this COVID situation, has been taken care of you all students. So God bless each and every faculty and their family. To start with, so we have a topic called diversity. So when I want to say diversity, એટલે university નું ટૂંક નામ શું કહેવાય? University શેના માટે બન્યું હતું? University Latin નું એક word હતું. It was a Latin word called univertus, which is called community of teacher and scholar. And diversity એટલે શું? Understanding individual mind and their uniqueness and recognizing the differences. એટલે diversity. તમે ખાલી UNI અને DI પણ વર્સિટી એક જ આવે. એટલે યુનિવર્સિટી ડાયવર્સિટી આ બે એક જ વસ્તુ કહેવાય. On that part, I want to start with a small story, story of falcon. Falcon કે ને પેલા falcon પેલા શું કહે એને ગુજરાતીમાં એને ગીધડ કહેવાય કે પેલું રાજાઓ રાખે મોટું falcon જેવું. So દુબઈ શેખ કે અબુધાબી શેખ કે ઉમાન શેખ એની પાસે 3 falcon હતા. 3 falcon નવા લીધા હતા, નવા ખરીદ્યા હતા. એને શું કીધું કે ભાઈ આને ટ્રેનિંગ કરાવો ફેલ્કનોને. સો આ ફેલ્કનને ટ્રેનિંગ કરાવવા માટે એમના મિનિસ્ટર ગયા અંદર ને એક ફેલ્કન ઉડી ગયું, બીજી ફેલ્કન ઉડી ગયું ને આવ્યા પાછા. ત્રીજું ફેલ્કન वॉज वेरी स्टबन, इतना स्टबन था वो कि वो उड़ता ही नहीं था, उसको उड़ने का मन नहीं हो रहा था. तो राजा ने बोला इसको होता है क्या, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, શું प्रॉब्लम ચાલે છે, what is the problem going on with this falcon. सारा ट्रेनर ने बोलाओ. सो ही कॉल द ट्रेनर. ट्रेनर આવ્યા. ટ્રેનરે જોયું કે આ તો નથી ઉડતું, નકામો ફાલ્કન છે, એકદમ ઠંડો ફાલ્કન છે, મરી ગયેલો ફાલ્કન છે. તો રાજાએ કીધું મને ખબર નહીં, આ ફાલ્કનને ઉડાવો, એને ફ્લાય કરવા દો ને પાછું આવવું જોઈએ. તો મિનિસ્ટર લોકો બધા પ્રજા બધા ગયા, મંત્રીઓ ગયા રસ્તામાં. આ આપણે અહીંયા અમદાવાદમાં છે ને માણિક ચોક પાસે ગયા. માણિક ચોક પાસે એક માણસ ભિખારી બેઠો હતો, એકદમ ફાટેલો કપડો, થર્ડ ક્લાસ છોકરો. એને પકડા, એને કે તું લાવીને ટ્રેનિંગ કર. એ કે કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નહીં, લાવો હું જઉં છું. તે that beggar, that man with the lame leg, લંગડો માણસ ચાલતો ચાલતો અંદર ગયો. 5 મિનિટમાં ફાલ્કન ઉડી ગયું. What is the moral of the story? કે આમાં શીખવામાં શું મળે કે પેલા ભાઈ ફાલ્કન બેઠા હતા, આ બાજુનો ઝાડ કાપી કાઢ્યું તો ફાલ્કન ઉડી ગયું. કશું નહીં, કારણ કે ફાલ્કન કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોનમાં બેઠો હતો. ફાલ્કન એને ઈગો પ્રોબ્લેમ હતું ને આ ભાઈને શું છે, આ ગરીબ માણસને ઈગો પ્રોબ્લેમ નહીં હતું, રાજાને ઈગો પ્રોબ્લેમ નહીં હતું. રાજા એકદમ સિમ્પલ હતો, રાજા એકદમ ઠંડો માણસ હતો. તે કે આઈ ડોન્ટ હેવ ઈગો. એટલે ડાયવર્સિટીમાં પહેલું વસ્તુ શું આવે, ઈગો. આપણે ઈગો નહીં હોવું જોઈએ. દેટ ઇઝ વોટ કોલ્ડ ડાયવર્સિટી. એને ડાયવર્સિટીના વાય ડાયવર્સિટી, શેના માટે ડાયવર્સિટી હોવું જોઈએ? પ્રમોટ પર્સનલ ગ્રોથ, ઇટ કીપ્સ હેલ્ધી સોસાયટી, એન્કરેજ ક્રિટિકલ થિંકિંગ, હેલ્પ્સ ટુ કમ્યુનિકેટ એફેક્ટિવ વિથ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ, strengthen the community and workplace. That's why diversity is always important to the university based schools ને કોલેજમાં ને આપણે નોકરી કરતા હોય ને બધી જગ્યામાં ડાયવર્સિટી હોવું જોઈએ. એના 4 ટાઈપના ડાયવર્સિટી હોય. એક ઓક્યુપેશનમાં, એક તમારા સ્કિલ્સની અંદર, એક તમારા પર્સનાલિટી ટ્રેટ પર, એક તમારા વેલ્યુ ને એટીટ્યુડ પર હોય છે ડાયવર્સિટી. હવે અને હજુ વધારે આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ આપીએ તો બીજું એક સ્ટોરી તમને વાત કરું છું. મારા હું જ્યારે કામ કરતો હતો યુએસમાં ને લંડનમાં ને ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયામાં, જે પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ થતો હોય ને, મારા કોઈ પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય તો તરત કહે કોલ એમજે. એમજે એટલે કોઈને ખબર નહીં, બધાને ખબર પડે છેલ્લે. જ્યારે હું દોડતો હોતો હતો ને તો મને કે ઓ જોન્સન, મારું નામ જ એવું હતું કે આઈ વોઝ ડુઈંગ લાઈક એક્શન જેક્શન કે ને એના જેવું, મેથ્યુ જોન્સન. આઈ વોઝ ટેકિંગ ઓલવેઝ પોઝિટિવ. મારો અપ્રોચ બહુ પોઝિટિવ હતું. મેં ઓલવેઝ પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વર હતો, એટલે દે યુઝ ટુ કોલ મી એમજે. Still, it is going on MJ. I think your Mr. Abhinan Pandya also sometimes calls me MJ. You know, and he always tells me I'm MJ. So that's what my name has been taken care. Another, there are two type of HR in this industry. जो है ना HR में बे मानस हो HR हो. एक poor HR, एक rich HR. Poor HR શું હોય છે? કાયમ કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોન માં બેઠો હોય ને એને કોઈ ગ્રોથ નું કોઈ ઈચ્છા નહીં હોય. બહુ ઠંડો બેઠો હોય. એ બેસીને પેલા ગપ્પા ફેલાયા કરે, રૂમર્સ ફેલાયા કરે. કાયમ જ નેગેટિવ બોલે. જે પણ હોય નેગેટિવ. ને એને ટીમ વર્કમાં કઈ ઈચ્છા નહીં હોય. એને કહેવાય પુઅર HR. આપણા જમાનામાં શું હોય છોકરા લોકો તમે સાંભળજો આપણા જમાનામાં રીચ HR કહેવાનું. રીચ HR એટલે એફર્ટ નાખવાનું. ક્રિએટિવિટી માથામાંથી કઈ આઉટ ઓફ બોક્સ થિંકિંગ કરવું જોઈએ. પછી ચેલેન્જીસ હોય ને આપણે ચેલેન્જીસ જે પણ આપતા હોય સ્કૂલમાં ચેલેન્જીસ આપતા હોય ચેલેન્જીસ ફેસ કરવું જોઈએ. પછી પોઝિટિવ લેવાનું કાયમ જ. ફેકલ્ટી કંઈ પણ બોલે પોઝિટિવ લેવાનું. પછી ઓલવેઝ થિંક અબાઉટ સક્સેસ એન્ડ ગ્રોથ પાર્ટ કે આના પછી શું કરીશ, ક્યારે હું ઉપર જઈશ, ક્યારે હું ચેરમેન બનીશ of a small company. That's what is called type of HR and poor. Why I'm telling you all this? Because diversity is a big subject. It's a huge subject. It has a comma. There is no full stop. And the best example of diversity is શું છે ખબર છે? માઇક્રોફોન. આપણા જૂના જમાના વોકી ટોકી. આપણા તમારા મિલિટરીમાં હોય ને પેલો વોકી ટોકી ગઈ કોપી હેલો માઇક ટેસ્ટિંગ કોપી પેલો વાત કરતા હતી. તો આમાં શું આવે? That is called two-way talk. Listening skills. કમ્યુનિકેશન થાય એને ડાયવર્સિટી કહેવાય. એમાં જાત પાટ કલર ક્રીડ ના આવે. હું જ્યારે સ્કૂલમાં ભણતો હતો મને બધા કે કાલિયા આવી ગયો કાલિયા તો મને બહુ ગમતું હતું બીકોઝ માય કલર ઇઝ બ્લેક. આઈ લવ ધેટ કલર. પછી બીજા દિવસ ચશ્મીશ ચચ્ચુ બોલતો હતો. ચશ્મીશ ચચ્ચુ બિલાડીને બચ્ચું. અગેન દેટ્સ અ ગુડ સાઇન. સો યુ શુડ ટેક પોઝિટિવ. ઓલવેઝ બી સ્માઇલિંગ. ઓલવેઝ બી હેપી. દેટ્સ ઓલ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ અરોમા. યુ બિલ્ડ અપ અરોમા ઓન યોર સેલ્ફ. હવે તમે હજુ એક વાત કરું આ એ તેલુગુમાં બી તામિલમાં તમે મલયાલમમાં ડાયવર્સિટીને શું કહેવાય? વિવિધ્યમ. પછી તમે તામિલમાં કહો છો પન્મકુતમ. પછી તમે કહો હિન્દીમાં વિવિધતા. તમે બેંગોલીમાં અલગ અલગ લેંગ્વેજમાં ડાયવર્સિટીનું મિનિંગ અલગ અલગ હોય છે. આપણે સમજી કે તો ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે રેસ્પેક્ટ એન્ડ રેસ્પેક્ટ. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે જેન્ડર કહેવાય. એમાં મેલ ની હોય ફિમેલ ની હોય. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે કલર કાસ્ટ ક્રીડ ની હોવું જોઈએ. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે ક્રિએટ અવેરનેસ એટલે પીપલના સ્ટેટસ એને વેલ્યુ આપો. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે લવ યોર સેલ્ફ. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે તમારા વાત કરવું જોઈએ સેલ્ફ ટોક. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે કનેક્ટિંગ એન્ડ કમ્યુનિકેટિંગ એન્ડ કેરિંગ ફોર અધર્સ ઇઝ ડાયવર્સિટી. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે તમે લંગડા હોય ને લૂલા લંગડા બેરા ડમ એન્ડ ડેફ એને તમે મોર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ આપો એને ડાયવર્સિટી કહેવાય. ડાયવર્સિટી એટલે ઓલ્ડ પીપલને રેસ્પેક્ટ આપો ડાયવર્સિટી કહેવાય. રેસ્પેક્ટ યોર સર્વન્ટ. તમારા લિફ્ટમેન તમારા વોચમેન એને ગુડ મોર્નિંગ બોલવામાં કઈ ફરક પડે નહીં. ઇટ્સ કોલ્ડ ડાયવર્સિટી. દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ જેન્ડર. એને જોબ ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન કહેવાય. That's what is diversity, you know. So whenever I speak about diversity, I always believe that why the company or the university doesn't believe into diversity because of politics issue, because of the family issue, because of a lot of things which is required. Another example I'll tell you, as Abhinandan was saying that I'm been called as a talent acquisition, my forte. Actually, yes, I'm been called always in the company called HTBT. HTBT is hiring talent and building talent. Because આપણે create નહીં કરીએ talent ને લીડરોને, then there is a problem. So I believe into another called no bias. No bias recruitment. મારા કોઈ કાકાના છોકરો નથી, મામાના છોકરો નથી. Recruitment માં I am very neutral and I bring a good ever talent of this company. બીજું એક છે, તમે લોકો સ્ટુડન્ટ લોકોને એક જ્ઞાન કહેવાય કે you are called as a pizza base. You people are like pizza base. કારણ કે તમે નવા છો, ફ્રેશ છો. પણ એની પર ટોપિંગ નાખીએ ને, એ ટોપિંગ છે તમારા ડોક્ટર નમ્રતા બજાજ, તમારા ડોક્ટર સુમિત છે, મિસ્ટર અભિનંદન પંડ્યા છે. They are like toppings. They put different type of topping. એની અંદર નાખે, કોઈ ઓરેગેમા નાખે, કોઈ સોસ નાખે, કોઈ ચીલી ફ્લેક્સ નાખે. That is called attitude, behavior, culture. They are putting on the pizza base. And then they make it and give it to you. That's called aroma. That's called taste. That is what is required in the workplace culture. તમે આરોમાની લાવો ને તો એમાં મજા નહીં આવે. Many stories are there which we know I can go on talking and go on talking because the times are limited, but then I will talk how much I want to talk. And this diversity in one of the biggest forum, I spoke last week also to IIM Jammu, IIM Rohtak, IIM Indore, IIM Shillong and all. I was speaking to everybody and I just said okay, diversity is very common. How you believe in yourself, how you talk yourself, how you love yourself, the diversity is simple. હવે how to promote, એને કેવી રીતે promote કરી શકાય? હવે promote is depends upon your faculty, depends upon તમારા લોકો છોકરા પર છે, કારણ કે તમે લોકો અલગ અલગ જાતમાંથી આવ્યા હશે. કોઈ પટેલ હશે તો કોઈ દેસાઈ હશે તો કોઈ શાહ હશે તો કોઈ કર્મેકર હશે, કોઈ બજાજ હશે તો કોઈ સાઉથ ઇન્ડિયન હશે. But do not see that. This young generation should believe into equality, believe into teamwork. You should believe into that I am the only one in IU. That's why it's a college called IU. What the meaning of IU is a very good IU. That's called Indrasil University. And Indrasil has a meaning. So let us focus on the meaning also. Let us respect the meaning. That is what diversity. And how to promote the diversity? We have 8-9 points, you know. તમે લોકો you should acknowledge differences. First of all, acknowledge કરશો ને કે આ differences છે, you will promote very good. Don't be non-biased. Always be biased in training and recruitment. Provide mentor. Let people learn doing themselves. Encourage personal evaluation. Ask questions. Ne value them. આ તમે કરશો ને તો awareness create થાય. તમે value નહીં કરો in any part of the world. If you don't value each other, if I don't value any of the students in IU, then I am not the right faculty to bring diversity in your college. We have to value each other. There is a story, you know, they always say that any problem is coming to yourself, plus shut your brain, listen to the person, you will get a solution. મારા ટેબલમાં છે ને ચોકલેટનું બાસ્કેટ છે. હું પહેલેથી મૂકું છું, 11 વર્ષથી હજુ મૂકું છું. જે બી મારા ઓફિસમાં આવે રડતો આવે એને પહેલા ચોકલેટ ખવડાવું. 3 ચોકલેટ ખાઈ પછી પૂછું ભઈલા બોલ શું છે પ્રોબ્લેમ? એ ભૂલી ગયો. વેરી ગુડ, ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ. પછી આવજે, પાછો આવે, પાછો ચોકલેટ ખાય. So this is what is called to listen to the people. Do not think that he is a black color or white color or he is a pink color. But they are equal. That is what called gender. Respect the gender. Job description of every individual is his self-respect. Love yourself. Talk yourself is your job description. And you know, always respect each other. That's what is the aroma where, you know, I always try to say why diversity and why not non-diversity. That's what I want to talk to you all, and I think it's almost now 20 minutes. It's a very vast area which I cannot talk in 30 minutes. It takes for me 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. For that, one day I'll come to your college and I'll take 1 day workshop to you all, because there we'll try to do role play, we'll try to play around, and we'll say how the diversity can fix, not in our personal life, also in professional life. That's it, ma'am. Back to Namrata ma'am. Anything question they want to ask, they can ask me.
Yeah, thank you, Johnson sir. We will in fact look forward for you coming over to university and have a workshop, because it is through role plays that we can sensitize our students. I totally agree with you. In fact, we had enough time, but the definition of diversity, as you explained, was really wonderful. It has wide dimensions, you know, and you know, areas where it can be applied to. So diversity, literally, as dictionary says, is not that diversity, but then what you have said, that in and out qualities of a person, you know, which is actually expected from the corporate. So now, before I could ask, you know, for questions to reflect upon by the students, I invite Abhinand sir to just, you know, give the reflection, his reflection.
No, in fact, whatever Johnson Bhai has told is quite imperative in any organization, in any workplace, you know. And 2 to 3 aspects which he has touched upon, you know, humbleness. It is the key part of any leadership quality. Humility is the key part of any leadership quality. And that's where you will see a leader going forward, and that's where he is able to bind the team with himself. And that are the critical factor. And today, if you look at the big organizations like Amazon, Google, everything, they are focusing more on their diversity, because diversity is able to bring them more vibrancy in the organization.
True, sir.
I think I'll add one more point to Abhinandan. Diversity will create sexual harassment. It will stop sexual harassment. If you don't have diversity, the sexual harassment case will happen more and more. So this both link together. Diversity is really important because everybody has to be given respect. It may be anyone. The respect is the only first key person. You have to be humane. Humane, I'm not telling human. I have to be humane. Yourself, you should come out from your heart saying, this man has the quality, ability to create aroma in this university, and then mentor him, coach him, guide him, and you bring him as an engineer. What Abhinandan said, that everybody should become engineer by heart, not by professional. Professional is different. You can become anything, but from heart, you should be your own engineer. Your body should tell that I am feeling today good. I'll tell you, touch wood, from March 22nd, I am in coming to office. There is no COVID for Johnson. I am not wearing mask. I am very clean by heart. I am myself immunized because I am keeping myself clean. I am talking very good. I don't talk negativity. I spread positivity. I have gone to Dholka 100 times, come back from Dholka to Bhat to IIM. So that is what I am saying. Diversity. બધા છોકરાઓ ને છોકરીઓ ભાઈઓ ને બહેનો માટે તમારા લોકો નાના છો, અમે લોકોને તો ઉંમર થઈ ગયું, વાળ સફેદ થઈ ગયા, હજુ ટકલા ખાવા માટે 5-10 વર્ષ બાકી છે. તમે લોકો દયા કરીને હાથ જોડીને વાત કરું, બધા સાથે પ્યારથી વાત કરજો, પ્રેમથી વાત કરજો, લાગણી રાખજો ને લગાવ રાખજો.
Unnecessary why to waste money.
Bharti madam, please unmute yourself. Please, sir.
So I think no problem. So we'll continue talking. I'll come one day. We'll have a workshop with my team. I got a solid talent learning management team. That's called L&D team. We'll come with a role play for your college. We will create an aroma. We will promote what is called diversity. And in the banner, we will do it a good workshop. Anybody wants to ask questions? Most welcome.
Sir, I am Pradeep Singh from the L&D team. Sorry, yes, I was a little late because I was with the FLP. We are having the online FLP.
Yes.
In the history, first time we are doing this online FLP where we have 30 students from my division, sir.
Yes.
This thing. So, sir, sorry to being late, but I have one question for you, sir. If you
Yes,
can.
Pradeep. Yes,
Can I take 2 minutes of yours, sir?
Always 5 minutes. Long time it seems.
Sir, very easily you said, I was listening to you very carefully. Very easily you said people were bullying you. People were talking something, wrong, and they were trying to tease you. But very comfortably, you said he was very comfortable, and he was not being intimidated by the stimulus which was there. So, आपको लोग तंग करते थे, but आप होते नहीं थे. सर, इतना आसान है कहना, लेकिन I don't know कि कितना difficult है practice करना, क्योंकि बहुत easily हम लोग drag हो जाते हैं. हमको लोग बहुत आसानी से गुस्सा दिला देते हैं. तो कैसे किया सर आपने? Just I wanted to know something.
So I'll tell you the story. I joined in this company 2010. Okay, and Abhinandan Pandya is a witness on that. So I'm always adding him because I was working very closely to his office also. And people started bullying me. People started irritating me. बोले ये क्या करेगा ये बच्चा? 10 साल के आगे तो बच्चा था मैं. तभी तो मेरा एज 40 था. तो वो बोल रहा था ये बच्चा क्या करेगा? बहुत आके गए चले गए. तो मैंने बोला भैया थैंक यू वेरी मच, आई थिंक आई अप्रिशिएट योर टॉक, बट वी विल टॉक लेटर ऑन इन द चाय टाइम. बिकॉज क्या होता है, देयर आर 10 fingers God created. That's why God gave 10 fingers. All have different role. If you listen, accept somebody's rumor, you are party to that. If you say thank you very nicely, politely and smilingly, they will not come next time. Number one. Number two, I was always focused. I was always committed. And I was always keeping my nose and hands clean. That's why I always says, I always say to my people, setback ka jawab, comeback se hona chahiye. Don't be loser, but be always gainer. Don't be job seeker, but be always job creator. Keep your nose and hand clean. That's called integrity, creativity thinking, don't give up and be confident. I always tell my team, बिंदास रहने का. अभी भी मेरे को सब लोग बोलता है टाइगर जिंदा है. All my team calls me and says who have been promoted, they are in a non different company, they Johnson Tiger जिंदा है. मतलब टाइगर जिंदा है मतलब I take care of very very nicely. I am the first person, always debate and I win because I know how to talk. So क्या है ना, इसमें डरने का नहीं. आदमी लोग बोलेगा कि जॉनसन तू फालतू आदमी है, you are a useless scrappy fellow of the world. No issue. God bless. We will not curse. मेरा मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया कभी किसको बद्दुआ देने का नहीं. Always say God bless you. Bad-dua will come to us. Dua will praise us. That's what I want to say. And I've been keeping my same thumb rule. You can see today also, you can call me at 12 o'clock. I'll be talking the same voice. But only I tell my people, allow me to sleep 2 hours. Balance hours are for you. 24/7 नहीं बोलता हूँ, 22/7. 2 घंटा मेरे लिए सोने दीजिए. मैं उठूंगा, आपके प्यार से बात करूंगा. कभी गुस्सा नहीं आएगा मेरे को, ना कभी मैं नाराज होता हूं नहीं. I am the first person to help every individual of this company. Pradeep, I think that's.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, sir.
No, but Pradeep, you should practice.
Yeah.
See, this is all depends upon the practice.
Yeah.
How to practice? Try to do small charity. 10 rupees आपके पास है, 2 रुपए गरीब को दो. आपके पास 100 रुपए है, 10 रुपए दो. आपके पास नहीं है तो भी दुआ देके जाओ, प्यार से बात करके जाओ. उसके ऊपर कंधे में हाथ रखो. कोई कोविड होने वाला नहीं है. डिप्रेसिव होता था. मेरे कोसंबा है, सूरत के पास है.
जी जी.
हमने कीम करके, कीम में मदर टेरेसा लेप्रेसी होम होता है. तो आई गो एवरी टाइम देयर. आई टच. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. Heart should be clean. How you practice yourself. So that's why every time they say कर्म घर से आता है. कर्म घर से आता है. माँ बाप जो सिखाते हैं बच्चे को वही करता है. में माँ बाप लोग झगड़ा करता है तो बच्चा भी बाहर झगड़ा करेगा. घर में माँ बाप लोग इतना इरिटेटिंग है तो लड़का लड़की भी इरिटेटिंग होगा. Faculty can teach anything they want, but the things should come from the house. Everything happens from the house. That's called practice. I got a small boy, 5 years boy, son. He teaches me a lot. I learn from him a lot. I don't get irritated because I was 3 times naughtiest in my college and school. I used to never leave any faculty. इतना tease करता था, इतना बोलता था. लेकिन आज I'm very happy because of faculty, because of my gurus, because of my teacher. I'm standing here. They taught me a lot of good lessons, and my mom and dad supported me in that lesson. So practice is only important to keep yourself cool and cool. Don't get angry. Don't get irritated. Always people are people. That's why we say human being. We don't say human. That's why we say human being. They are being and we are human. So we plus it together, break it together. There we are always. Pradeep, that's my answer.
Thank you so much, sir. I think one of the student has the same kind of question. So I was reading to it. One of the question had the same kind of question.
Oh, very
how
good.
you manage your anger.
हंसते रहो और हंसाते रहो. HR का मीनिंग वही है. हंसते रहो और हंसाते रहो.
क्या बात है सर. नया मीनिंग सीखा मैंने आज सर.
हाँ, और सब लोग बोलते हैं हेयर रिमूविंग डिपार्टमेंट, HRD. आई एम नॉट हेयर रिमूविंग डिपार्टमेंट. हंसता रहता हूँ, हंसाते रहता हूँ.
Very good, sir.
Any more question? You can ask many questions and give my email ID to everybody, to all the students. They can chat with me, write to me. My number is 9099099643. But again, I'm repeating, don't allow me 2 hours to sleep, please.
Sir, we are fortunate today that we are connected with Colonel Vijay Sharma sir, who is Vice President HR and Admin. And today we would like to, request Vijay sir, Colonel Vijay sir, to please reflect something today. We are very happy and that he is also here with us today. First time online, he is there. Sharma sir, please. This is how he handles us, to an ex-serviceman and in a ranking of colonel, but he has also cuddled us and has taken care of each and everyone at IU. So that is the live example of the HR as you have defined.
Yes.
Sharma sir, could you please unmute yourself and can please reflect upon? Would like to have your blessings on Engineers Day too. Sharma sir. Sumit sir will try to contact him over phone. In the meantime, we will have some reflections from AP Vyas sir, who is Dean Engineering and School of Engineering, and Bharti Madam, one after the other. Vyas sir, please could you reflect upon something? Happy Engineers Day, sir.
Yes, it was very nice to listen, son, and every time we met, we found him very energetic, and the same energy is very true. Even if you go to the house at 2 a.m., you will find the same energy what you can see in the morning 8 or 9 a.m. So very congratulations to you, and it is dictated. And yes, told very rightly, that is about the diversity, and I will say that you very clearly mentioned the meaning of university. And I would like to add one more thing, that there is a diversity in university, and that is what the strength of any university. Diversity must maintain in the university, and that is university. So thank you very much for sharing all these thoughts to our students. And yes, we'll definitely arrange your session in person when things will be with the old normal rather than the new normal. So we would be waiting for the old normal condition, and then we will see you again in IU, and we will be here to welcome you, sir. Thank you
I
very
will,
much.
sir, I can come and give a lot of training. I got a lot of subject called transformation, parivartan. Parivartan એટલે બદલાવ. I can go on workshop on that also. Diversity also one. Then I got another many programs. I'll come and teach you. Don't worry, it's a free of cost because it's my university. IU is my university. So I will come.
Yes, sir.
I will take all my team. They will come and stand from morning. They will do the role play, and students should enjoy. See, છોકરાઓ enjoy થવું જોઈએ. એ લોકોને મજા આવવું જોઈએ. Always I tell that college is like a picnic spot. You are coming from your house, you're changing the picnic spot to the college. Only menu changes. બસ એટલું જ છે, બીજું કઈ ખાલી એક જ છે, પણ મેનુ પર સે અલગ છે. If the student think that way, I think the picnic will be awesome. It will be fruitful.
And yes, more thing, sir. One more thing, that we are very happy to listen you in Gujarati.
Sir,
Because by the name, I
Matan said
understand that
Gujarat
you
no.
speak only in English. But
No,
it is very nice to listen you in Gujarati, and we would like to have one of sessions for our faculty members and staff also.
ठीक है, इधर तो काम इतना होता है ना, 2 मिनट का टाइम मिलता है, 2 घंटा मैंने आपको पूछा, सोने के 2 घंटा दीजिए. बाकी तो मैं I am ready to give everything lecture for you. I mean, I love to do a lot of talking, you know, because that's what is the new generation. They want us to be engaged. We should engage them, and we should also get engaged with them.
Correct, sir. Correct.
In olden days, we should talk, you know, that we get engagement, and after 9 months we get married. No, here we should get engaged every day. Then the marriage is simple.
Yes.
In education, engagement and marriage is a diversity. Faculties always
Yeah.
and you know, enjoy themselves. That's it.
Sir, I would like to go for engagement only because the period between engagement and marriage is very beautiful. So we should go for engagement only, other than the marriage.
I agree with you. Totally agree with you. I am always with you. Any more questions, Pradeep? Dr.
Thank you.
Sharma has joined.
Sir, just one question before we invite someone else, you know, Kapil Sharma or Bharti Dave. There is one question that there are occasions where we get rejected also at the time of interview also. So how to handle that rejection? That is what the question which has come up in the Q&A section.
Can you repeat again one more time? The voice is clear.
How to tackle rejections?
Okay. See, madam, in the life, let me start with my own example. When I was studying in college, engineering, my father rejected me because he's saying this, he told me in Gujarati, let me tell you very, I don't want to mince the word or fabricate the words. He told me, "Nalayak su karvano che." He is from the Khedut family, he is from the agriculture family. धोती बोती पहन के ट्रैक्टर पहन के चला जाओ खेती में तो अच्छा रहेगा. मेरी माँ को रोज गाली देता था, नालायक छे. He rejected me for almost 5 years. I didn't say anything. I was keeping patience and cool. I want to finish my college. Then my aunt called from US. Bolta hai, rather you always fight with your father and mother, you come back to US. So I left and went to US and I studied my MBA. Then I came back again, I did all my education. And my father rejected me for almost 10, 12 years. He never spoke to me. But I kept cool. I accepted him because his heart says that only one son should be with him, take care of him. But when that was accepted, before I joined Cadila, I went to Kosamba. He was in bedridden. He was in hospital. The day he was passing away, he told me, "Beta, mane maaf karje. I didn't understand you." So that's called acceptance of rejection. That was first. Number two, in your personal life also, there are a lot of friends of yours. They don't understand. They think we need to give more time. But when you become a family man, when you got a child coming in, you focus on them first. Rather, you go to a friendship. Friendship is required. That also they reject. But you should coolly manage and tell them, भैया पहले मैं अकेला था, single था. अभी मैं mingle कर रहा हूँ. तो अभी I cannot mingle with you. I have to mingle with her. So all that creating aroma, the rejection can become acceptance. Okay, number one. Number three, in coming to Cadila, there were a lot of offer letters I used to sign and send to a lot of talents. Touchwood, I'm telling you, from 100, only 2 people reject the offer. 98% accept it because the script which I talk, the story I tell them, the aroma feeling of Cadila Pharmaceutical I tell them, the polluted air which is cleaned and removed I tell them, they are always ready to come and work with Johnson. That's what is, it depends upon person again. How you talk, how you keep rolling yourself. You are telling story or you are telling a reality. That is a different. So let us be reality, let us be real from our heart. So that's what is good for you all young youth. कि जो भी बोले साचू बोलवानु, झूठू नहीं बोलवानु. Excuse આપવાનું, excuse ચાલે. આજે મને લૂઝ મોશન થયું, કાલે મને ડાયરિયા થયું, ત્રીજા દિવસ મને વોમિટિંગ થયું. પણ ચોથા દિવસ નહીં, એ જૂઠું કહેવાય. That is called lies. Excuse is acceptance. Lies is rejection. What is my answer for you, Namrata Ben?
Thank you, sir. Sir, the perspective from the candidate's part, from candidate's perspective, जब कैंडिडेट को रिजेक्ट किया जाता है तो वो कैसे हैंडल करे? I think this also, yeah.
ठीक है, क्या होता है कैंडिडेट को कैसा रिजेक्ट होता है? In HR we have a different type of capabilities which are benchmarking. अभी when a candidate comes like from IU University, example we say Dhara. When Dhara was speaking, Dhara lage Kathiawadi છે. Dhara, you are from Kathiawadi?
She has to be unmuted. Raise your hand in the chat box also. You can reflect, Dara.
So you are Saurashtra, from Saurashtra?
Dara Chotai. She's.
हाँ, तो जो तो accent, you see the accent. अबे आपको company in every part of global industry, the organization needs the English, little bit English. Okay. Now when you go to Maharashtra, like Dhulia, Jalgaon, they all want Marathi. If we go to South India, they want Tamil to be spoken. When you come to Gujarat, Gujarati to baat karu juye. That's language, number one. So when I see the candidate, I just see his body language, number one. I see his IQ level, number two. I see his dress code attire. Is he a nice dress code coming in? Does he take shower and come, put a good perfume so that fragrance is very good? Does he polish his shoe? Good. That's only one I see first, number one. Number two, I don't see university. University तो बहुत सारा university बना हुआ इंडिया में, नुक्कड़ गली गली में. लल्लू प्रसाद यूनिवर्सिटी, रबड़ी देवी यूनिवर्सिटी, जो भी नाम बोलो, यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम ही है. Which is not important for me. I reject a person only based on his attitude, his body language, his acceptance of job role. On the first time only he say, नहीं सर मेरे को काम इतना ज़्यादा है, मेरे को पैसा चाहिए. The person who asks monetary is rejected by Johnson. The person says, wow, the role is very challenging and interesting. Can we talk further? Is acceptance by Johnson.
Good, sir. Thank you so much, sir. We have, again, I'll request Colonel Vijay Sharma, sir, to reflect upon today. Sharma, sir, can you hear us? And we are still waiting for you to reflect upon this session. Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we can hear
I don't know. You can hear me? Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyway, Johnson, very good afternoon. I've been hearing you saying. In fact, I want to just tell two things to all the colleagues including Johnson, that Johnson is a very positive guy. I have worked with him now for nearly, I think, 10 to 12 years. Johnny, we're together.
Yes.
I haven't heard a no from him for anything. That is one positive side. Secondly, he accepts whatever, in case you don't like something, you tell him, he takes it in the right stride. And I mean, for IU, for the last now, I think 2.5 years, Johnson has been looking after helping us in the IU. And I think not a single time when we wanted something which suited us and was not totally in tune with Cadila, he has helped us to get over that. So Johnny, I want to take this opportunity to thank you
sir.
on behalf
Thank you,
of
sir.
IU,
Thank you.
and kindly keep doing the same till we are working together.
Thank you.
And other thing is, I believe that in HR, if a person is good, he is a good human being, I think he will be a good HR. So Johnny, keep it up, and
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
God
sir.
bless you, and thank you for addressing our all colleagues and students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sharmi,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. It was so nice to hear you, sir, because for the first time we are hearing you on this platform. So it was so nice.
So,
And,
Dr. Namrata,
yes,
I'll
sir.
add some more. These
Yes, sir.
people, my colleagues have given me a lot of punch words. Somebody called me Bullet Raja. Somebody called me Hurricane. Somebody called me Cycle Raja. And Colonel Sharma Sahib always calls me Johnny.
I think all are apt, sir. Very, very apt, sir.
Yeah, they all like, because that's what I take positive. I never said, अरे भैया मेरे को जॉनसन ही बुलाओ.
Yes,
मजा आता है. तुम मुझे ये बोलो, अभी जैसा गुजराती में है, उसकी बीवी को, आओ ने भाई. बीवी बुलाता हस्बैंड को, तो बीवी को मैं बोलूंगा बी, तू इधर आ जा भाई. So that's what is respect. So, what Colonel Sharma said, we should always respect each other, take it positive. That's the right HR. It's a right spirit HR. I always work with Colonel Sharma sir, and we have never fought, never debated, and I think very, very right human being for IU. That's what I can say.
Yes, sir. We agree with you. We agree with you. And sir, it is actually your names are also very diverse. Names given to you, titles given to you rather. It's not name, these are the titles given to you. Perhaps your name remains the same, that is Johnson Matthew. Sumit sir, would you like to reflect something? And before we wrap, like to hear.
Right. Actually, one thing I want to say, like sir said, there is a meaning of IU. IU, that means we. So that is the main thing I want to convey to my students also. You and I, that means we. And really, sir, very great to hear you. And looking forward to, to meet you personally and physically. I want to listen to you also. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And finally, I come to Abhinand sir once again for concluding remarks. Yeah.
Thank you, Johnson Bhai, for your time and
Thank you, sir.
advice, which is
Thank you, Abhidan bhai.
you will not get all this advice in any books. You will get it.
This is not written in the books of law.
More important.
Yeah, now officially we invite one of our students, Soham Bhakti, for tendering vote of thanks to Johnson sir.
So a hearty good afternoon to one and all. I am Soham Bhakti. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event to all dignitaries assembled here. I would like to a big thanks Mr. Johnson Mathwe on behalf of Industrial University, and I would like to thank all participants. I am really glad to say that today's webinar was indeed worthy to one and all present here, as we are to many informative topics like importance of diversity and on human values in a contemporary scenery. He rightly talked about values that must guide to human behavior, intentions, and aspirations. So today we had an opportunity to hear these thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. Really nice to hear you, sir. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Soham. Thank you. Pradeep sir also has left, because he had the engagement. So he also has said goodbye to you and have
Thank you.
asked for the request.
Thank you very much.
So
It was a
thank you,
wonderful.
thank you so much, sir, for
Thank
being
you, sir.
with us.
Thank you.
And in fact, we look forward for having workshop with you, not only for faculty, as Vyas sir has said, also for the students, and through role plays, perhaps that will sensitize them and excite them too, and will instill, the values which the industry is looking for.
Pleasure.
So thank you so
So
much.
you
Thank
send
you.
me a mail every time. Send me a mail. I'll
Yes, sir.
organize all the.
Sure, sir. Sure,
Thank
sir.
you.
We'll do that, sir. So thank you, Vyas sir. Thank you, Abhinand sir. One and all, Sumit sir, Sharma sir, for being with us and making this session more interactive and interesting. So once again, I say stay healthy, stay safe, and Jai. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.